Tea begins its journey in lush green plantations where skilled workers carefully pick the youngest and freshest tea leaves by hand. Only the top leaves and buds are selected to ensure the highest quality tea. After harvesting, the fresh tea leaves are quickly transported to a nearby processing factory. Fast delivery is important to keep the leaves fresh and ready for processing. At the factory, the tea leaves are unloaded and spread out on large trays. Workers inspect them carefully, removing damaged leaves and any unwanted material. Next comes the withering stage. The leaves are placed on long troughs where cool air flows through them. This process slowly removes moisture and makes the leaves soft and flexible. The withered leaves are then sent into large rolling machines. These machines twist and press the leaves, breaking their cells and releasing natural juices that help develop flavor. After rolling, the leaves are spread out for oxidation. During this stage, the leaves react with oxygen in the air, gradually turning darker and developing their unique aroma and taste. To stop oxidation, the tea leaves are moved into drying machines. Hot air passes through the leaves, removing the remaining moisture and preserving the tea. Once dried, the leaves are cooled down using air circulation. This helps stabilize the tea and prepares it for the next steps. The tea then goes through vibrating sorting machines that separate the leaves by size and grade. Different sizes are used for different types of tea products. Special cleaning machines remove small stems, fibers, and dust, ensuring that only pure tea leaves remain. Experts classify the tea into various grades based on size, appearance, and quality. Professional tea tasters carefully evaluate samples from each batch, checking aroma, flavor, and color to maintain consistent quality. The processed tea is stored in large sealed containers in a clean and controlled environment to protect its freshness. To create consistent flavors, different tea batches are blended together using large mixing machines. Modern machines then measure and fill precise amounts of tea into tea bags or packets. The tea bags are automatically packed into branded boxes ready for sale. Before shipping, every box is inspected to ensure proper sealing, labeling, and product quality. Finally, the packaged tea is loaded onto trucks and shipped to stores around the world, ready to be brewed into the comforting cup of tea we all enjoy.
From factory to the world, our tea begins its journey. Each box, a promise of quality, loaded with precision.
This is perfect.
It really is.
So soothing.
I love it.
Me too.
Let's enjoy every sip.